What's up everybody, it's Mark, and we're back again with another TV review. This time we're diving deep into the TCL 65-inch Q5-Series 4K TV. This TV packs a punch when it comes to features and specs, especially considering the price point. We're talking under $800 for a 65-inch 4K TV. But is it actually any good? In this video we'll break down everything you need to know about the TCL 65-inch Q5-Series. We'll explore its picture quality, features, and performance to help you decide if it's the right fit for your setup. We'll cover the pros and cons, so you know exactly what you're getting into before you click that buy button. So, if you're ready for an in-depth look at the TCL 65-inch Q5-Series 4K TV, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future tech reviews. First up, let's talk about the viewing experience. When it comes to home entertainment, the quality of your TV can make all the difference. Imagine sitting down after a long day, ready to unwind with your favorite show or movie. The TCL Q5-Series is designed to elevate that experience to a whole new level. The TCL 65-inch Q5-Series boasts a 4K Ultra HD resolution, delivering 4 times the resolution of your standard 1080p TV. This means that every scene is packed with an incredible amount of detail, making everything you watch feel more lifelike and immersive. That means sharper details, crisper edges, and an overall more immersive viewing experience. Whether it's the intricate textures of a nature documentary or the bustling streets of a cityscape, the 4K resolution ensures you won't miss a single detail. But it's not just about the resolution. The HDR Pro Plus technology takes things to the next level. High Dynamic Range, or HDR, enhances the contrast and color of the image, making the bright areas brighter and the dark areas darker. This TV supports HDR10 content, which means you'll experience a wider range of colors and contrast, resulting in more realistic and vibrant images. Imagine watching a sunset where the sky transitions from deep oranges to purples, all rendered with stunning accuracy. Whether you're watching your favorite movies, playing games, or just streaming content, the Q5-Series delivers stunning visuals that will draw you right into the action. Gamers will appreciate the enhanced detail and color accuracy, making every game more engaging and visually striking. And speaking of color, the Q5-Series doesn't disappoint. The advanced color technology ensures that every hue is vibrant and true to life, making everything from animated films to live-action dramas look their best. The color reproduction on this TV is impressive, with vibrant hues and natural-looking skin tones. This means that whether you're watching a nature documentary or a family drama, the colors will look just as they should. You won't find any oversaturated or washed-out colors here. Everything looks balanced and true to life. The meticulous calibration ensures that every scene is rendered with the perfect color balance. From the darkest blacks to the brightest whites, the Q5-Series delivers impressive contrast, revealing details you might have missed on other TVs. This level of contrast makes every scene pop, adding depth and dimension to the picture. This enhanced contrast adds depth and dimension to the picture, making everything from movies to video games look more realistic and engaging. The Q5-Series truly transforms your viewing experience, making it more immersive and enjoyable than ever before. Now let's talk about the display technology behind the Q5-Series, QLED. Unlike traditional LED TVs that use a backlight, QLED TVs like this one use quantum dots to enhance brightness and color accuracy. These tiny semiconductor particles emit light of specific wavelengths, resulting in a wider color gamut and more accurate color reproduction. What does that mean for you? Simply put, you'll experience more vibrant and lifelike colors that pop off the screen. But the benefits of QLED don't stop there. QLED TVs are also known for their impressive brightness levels, making them an excellent choice for well-lit rooms. Even in bright environments, the Q5-Series can maintain excellent picture quality without any noticeable glare or reflections. And because QLED technology allows for precise backlight control, you'll experience deeper blacks and better contrast, further enhancing the overall viewing experience. This level of control ensures that dark scenes are truly dark, while bright scenes retain their vibrancy and detail. Moving on to the smart features, let's dive into what makes the TCL 65-inch Q5-Series a standout in the world of smart TVs. The TCL 65-inch Q5 series comes equipped with Amazon's Fire TV platform built in, offering a seamless and integrated smart TV experience right out of the box. This means you'll have access to a massive library of streaming apps, including Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, Hulu, and countless others. Whether you're in the mood for a movie night, binge-watching a new series, or catching up on the latest documentaries, the options are virtually endless. Navigating through the Fire TV interface is a breeze, thanks to the included voice remote. The intuitive design ensures that even those who aren't tech-savvy can easily find their way around. Simply press the microphone button and ask Alexa to find your favorite shows, control playback, or even search for new content. Alexa's voice recognition is highly accurate, making it a reliable assistant for all your entertainment needs. You can also use voice commands to adjust your TV's settings, such as changing the volume, switching inputs, or even tweaking the picture quality to suit your preferences. It's like having a personal assistant right in your living room, making your viewing experience more convenient and enjoyable. The Fire TV platform also offers a ton of customization options, allowing you to personalize your home screen with your favorite apps and channels. You can arrange them in a way that suits your viewing habits, making it easier to access what you love. This level of personalization ensures that your TV experience is tailored to your preferences, making it truly your own. You can even connect your other smart home devices to control your lights, thermostat, and more, all from the comfort of your couch. Imagine dimming the lights and adjusting the temperature without ever leaving your seat. This integration makes your home smarter and more connected, enhancing your overall living experience. All these features are designed to provide maximum convenience, allowing you to enjoy your entertainment without any hassle. And if you're a gamer, you'll appreciate the Q5-Series' low input lag and dedicated game mode, which optimizes the TV's settings for responsive gameplay. This ensures that your gaming sessions are smooth and lag-free. Whether you're playing fast-paced action games or exploring open-world adventures, the TV's performance will keep up with your every move. The dedicated game mode reduces input lag, providing a more responsive and immersive gaming experience. This is particularly beneficial for competitive gamers who need every millisecond to count. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, the Q5 series delivers a smooth and immersive gaming experience that will keep you engaged for hours. With its smart features, customization options, and gaming capabilities, the TCL 65-inch Q5 series is designed to meet all your entertainment needs, making it a versatile addition to any home. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of the TCL 65-inch Q5 series TV. Starting with the pros, the TCL 65-inch Q5 series offers an incredible value proposition. It's a TV that combines affordability with high-end features, making it accessible to a wide range of consumers. You're getting a large 65-inch 4K QLED TV with HDR support and a user-friendly smart TV platform, all for a very competitive price. The 4K resolution ensures that you get sharp and detailed images, while the QLED technology enhances color accuracy and brightness. The picture quality is impressive, with vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast. This makes it ideal for watching movies, sports, and playing video games. The HDR support further enhances the viewing experience by providing a wider range of colors and better contrast. The Fire TV platform is a major plus, offering a seamless streaming experience with access to a vast library of apps and content. You can easily navigate through popular streaming services like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and Hulu, making it a versatile entertainment hub. However, no TV is perfect. There are a few drawbacks to consider. One potential downside of the Q5 series is its limited viewing angles. This means that if you're watching TV with a group of people, those sitting off to the sides might not get the best picture quality. While the picture looks great when viewed head-on, colors and contrast can appear slightly washed out when viewed from the sides. This is something to keep in mind if you have a wide seating arrangement in your living room. Another thing to consider is the sound quality. The built-in speakers are decent for everyday use, but they might not satisfy audiophiles or those looking for a more immersive audio experience. While the built-in speakers are decent, they lack the depth and clarity of a dedicated sound system. If you enjoy watching movies with rich sound effects or listening to music with high fidelity, you might find the built-in speakers somewhat lacking. If you're looking for a truly immersive audio experience, you might want to consider investing in a soundbar or surround sound system. These external audio solutions can significantly enhance your viewing experience by providing clearer dialogue, deeper bass, and a more dynamic soundstage. So there you have it, a detailed look at the TCL 65-inch Q5-Series 4K TV. This TV offers an impressive combination of features and performance at a price that's hard to beat. If you're in the market for a large, high-quality 4K TV without breaking the bank, the Q5 series is definitely worth considering. Remember, this is the TCL 65-inch Q5 series and it's available now for under $800, making it one of the most affordable 65-inch QLED TVs on the market. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the most up-to-date pricing and availability information. So, what's the verdict? The TCL 65-inch Q5 series is a solid 4K TV that offers a lot of bang for your buck. Its stunning 4K resolution, HDR support, and QLED technology deliver impressive picture quality, while the Fire TV platform provides a seamless and enjoyable streaming experience. If you're on a tight budget but don't want to compromise on features or performance, the TCL 65-inch Q5 series is definitely worth checking out. For more information, including current pricing and where to buy, be sure to check out the links in the description below. As always, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and comparisons. And be sure to let me know in the comments below what you think of the TCL 65-inch Q5 series. Until next time.